Hello everyone, I just landed in Chicago and finished this fantastic Colorado blue spruce. I want to let you this video that will blow your mind. Actually, it's gonna burn your car. This tree is a natural example of Raft-Style. It was collected years ago in Wyoming and then planted in this slab. Now my goal is to simplify a little bit the structure, creating more gin and shari, and then wire branches to create the idea of multiple trunks coming from the same main trunk that grows horizontally. After some cleaning and work on the deadwood, I start protecting some of the branches with raffia in order to be able to bend them in the position I want. Colorado blue spruce is a very flexible tree, but still for some heavy bending is good to put some raffia as main protection. In this case, my goal is to push down the left branch in order to create a nice prosecution of a line that will determine my lower left trunk. It's important always while we work on a tree, even if it's a multi-trunk, to start from the lower part that will act as a first branch, in this case as a smaller left tree, and then work my way up until reaching the top, that in this case will be the leader tree of the entire composition. the lower back branches in order to build a good depth for the tree. Having multiple trunks, we have to create a good background. So it's very important to kind of frame the negative space that we see from the front, having some depth branch. This will increase the feeling of three-dimensionality that the overall forest or rough style has, and this is the particular goal of this part of the work. So wiring the branches, creating the pad, and according to the frontal view, position them in the negative spaces to create depth. It's now time to work on the right tree of the composition that basically work as a counterbalance branch for the overall movement to the left that the entire composition have. Since most of the movement of the trees goes to the left, we need at least a little bit of counterbalance in the right part to act, as I said, as basically eda ucieda, that it means for a normal tree like the second branch, and this will create stability to the overall composition, even if the main directionality of this rough style is very strong into the left side. But still this tree will help to refocus the attention in the central part of the composition and then move your eyes until the reaching up at the top. As a last step, I'm working at the top of the leader tree of the composition. This is the apical part of the forest, and also is the tree that will give us even more the directionality of the forest. So basically is important that that part always look towards the first tree we made, that is the left tree of the composition, to create a visual dynamism, but also a visual tension between all the elements of the composition. At this point, the work is finished, and I'm very satisfied with the final result. And I hope this video was good for you and was interesting. So thank you so much for watching it, and see you at the next.